Get back to that breaking news on Grand Rapids West Side. A deadly crash on a freeway during rush hour, and it is creating huge problems on Interstate 196. We want to get straight to 24-hour News 8's Henry Erb, who is near the scene tonight. Henry, what can you tell us?
Brian, we're in a parking lot right across the street from the crash site. You can see it right over there. This is the crash site is on I-196 in the eastbound lane. This has turned into a fatal crash, according to the Michigan State Police. Here's what we understand happened, according to the police. A car, a small red sedan, was moving westbound and somehow, for some reason, crossed the very narrow median and collided head-on with a maroon window van. The driver of the small red car, we understand, was killed in the crash. We also understand that the driver of the maroon van was injured. We don't know how badly at this point. At this moment, the traffic that is supposedly going eastbound or was trying to go eastbound on I-196 is being diverted off at Market Street, I believe. The westbound traffic is moving slowly at this point, but it is moving. Right now we can see the Michigan State Police, the Grand Rapids Police Department. There are accident scene investigators over there taking measurements. There are two flatbeds and a wrecker standing by. We believe that this crash site will be cleaned up fairly soon. We're going to have more information on traffic coming up from Kevin Richards in a few minutes.